Hi, and welcome to Crypto Cash Army. I'm Captain Crypto, and this is the Harmony One news and price update for May 7, 2021. Before we go any further, I'd like to take a few seconds to say thank you to everyone that is supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. If you're not already a subscriber, please do subscribe and smash that like button. Also, many of my videos are indeed time sensitive and may contain price action or other information that is relevant for a short time only. So please click the notification bell so you can stay abreast of the latest news and price trends with my videos. Again, thank you so much for being here. Let's get into the video. Hi, and welcome back. In news this week for Harmony One recently released their April update, which is essentially just a summary of everything that went on in April with Harmony. And in the summary, they reviewed some of the partnerships that they've taken on over the last few weeks, such as the ones with SushiSwap and MokiSwap, Injective Protocol, OIN Finance. And they also wrote about how their bridge has surpassed $15 million with over 2,800 transactions through organic growth. So as you can see, Harmony One's been busy. They also wrote about the DaVinci NFT Gallery, which is an NFT marketplace based on the Harmony mainnet, which is starting to do quite well. They've minted over 6,500 NFTs, and so far they have over 750 artists. They briefly wrote about ViperSwap and how that DEX is just taking off. It now has over $22 million locked. So Harmony's doing quite well as far as acquiring new partnerships. In fact, they just yesterday announced a new partnership with One Immortal, which is a company that's going to be developing a new app called the One App. One Immortal is building a multi-brand loyalty program that rewards users with discounts, upgrades, and exclusive benefits irrespective of borders. Harmony is the perfect blockchain partner on multiple levels, technologically, philosophically, and with a focus on elevating their users. Harmony represents everything the One App wants to capture. Like I said, this app is not out yet, but they're expecting it to come out, I guess, in Q3 of this year, so sometime in the fall. I'm not sure what type of traction or adoption this will get, but it's something else on the Harmony ecosystem. In other news, Dr. Stephen Say released an article on readwrite.com referencing blockchain interoperability and why it matters and how to make it happen. Now, I'm not going to go into this article too much, but I'll leave a link in the description. But I do recommend that you read it if you want to know more about blockchain interoperability and how Harmony is addressing that. And with a multi-chain blockchain like Harmony, interoperability is essential. And as far as interoperability goes, Harmony One is kind of leading the space in that regard. Also, with regard to Stephen Say, and I'll also leave this link in the description, he recently spoke at the Ethereal Summit 2021 about interoperability and other, essential multi-chain facets. And if you haven't watched this video, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. You really should do so if you're following Harmony One or if you just want to know more about Harmony One. Now, in market news, the altcoin season index is sitting at 92, which is good for Harmony. Got an altcoin year index score of 88 and an altcoin month index of 92. All this means is that altcoin season is in full swing. The Fear and Greed Index is now sitting at 64. Yesterday it was at 65. It's up quite a bit from last week, but down a little bit from last month. It's showing moderate greed, meaning people are not really too scared or too confident in the market right now. They're just about average. Now for more Harmony specific news. Harmony One is currently sitting at about 13.5 cents. It's up about 6% on the day. It currently has a market cap of about $1.28 billion, and volume over the last 24 hours has been about $115.6 million. It's currently ranked number 97 on the Nomics Top 100 cryptocurrencies list. Now for some pricing updates. Like I said, Harmony is swinging back and forth between 13.4 cents and 13.5 cents. I don't really expect that to change too much over the weekend and the first part of next week. If anything, it may go down a penny or two, or it could go up as high as 14 and a half cents. I don't really see it passing through 15 cents in the next couple of days, but it could. Yesterday, I released a video talking about 3 videos that will 5x by the end of July. And of course, Harmony was one of them. So if you want a little more detailed information for medium and long-term pricing information for Harmony, I'll leave that video in the cards up in the right-hand corner so you can take a look at that. But there's nothing really significant going on with Harmony. The daily chart, we're still in our ABC correction wave before we head on up in the 5th wave of our Elliott wave. And on the 4-hour chart, if we look at it, we can see we're just pretty much bouncing in and out of this 12.5 to 14 cent price range over the last few days. And I predict that we're going to stay there. There's not a lot going on. The MACD on the 4-hour is up a little bit, and the relative strength index, or RSI, it's at a moderate volume. So if we get some good volume, there's a chance we could start to push up a little bit. But I mentioned in my video yesterday that I didn't think Harmony was going to make any major upward movements for about the next 10 to 15 days, and I still believe that. But I do believe that in about 10 days to 2 weeks that we'll see a fairly major breakout with Harmony 1, and we should be approaching our all-time high price of about 22.4 cents by the end of the month or the first week of June. But besides that, I don't think there's a lot to report with Harmony price action. I just think it's going to go sideways and probably pretty much just stay in this area here. It may go up a little bit, or it could retrace a little bit, but I don't think so. I think it's going to stay within a couple of percent of where it is now either way. Well, I think that's all I've got for now. If you found something useful or informative in this video, please like, please subscribe, and please do hit that notification bell so you can stay informed of all my videos, which are usually time sensitive. Once again, thank you very much. For now, this is Captain Crypto signing off. Please stay blessed, and please take care. Bye-bye.